Very good morning, everybody, and welcome to day 4 of Antarctica. We've been forced to put a hold on our sails this morning. Today is November 23rd in the morning, Sunday morning, beautiful Sunday morning, and we have been forced to put a hold on our sailings because we have run through a massive snow. As you can see, the sunbeds, these are sunbeds which we use during summer around the pool, and they are freezing. They have all been hauled to freeze, snowing everywhere. The deck is full of snow, as you can see. Last night we sailed through a heavy storm with snow, and we were forced to reduce our speed to about 5 knots, and that is when we managed to accumulate all this much snow on deck. It was all snowing here, but now it's melting out a little bit, and also the deck boys are busy clearing the deck. So this is what we ran into last night, a huge chunk of snow here in Antarctica. Today is minus 12 degrees. It's totally freezing, guys. As you can see, the sea is also freezing. Icebergs are forming up and everything. So it's really cold today in Antarctica, day 4.